In this video, I'm going to show you a cool strategy that you can use to start making up to $500 every single day with CPA marketing. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can enroll for this course and start making passive income every single day with CPA marketing. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to cpalead.com. So you want to click on this sign up button right here to create an account, and you want to basically fill in your details right here, and you want to click on submit information. So once you have your account created, your dashboard is going to look like this, and I'm going to show you how to make money using this easy strategy. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you've been making money before. You can basically take advantage of this one. So if you come over to Imgur and you type in iPhone in the search bar right here and you click on search, you are going to basically see that there are a lot of posts about iPhone that are getting thousands of views. As you can see, this one right here, over 400,000 views on this post alone. All right, you can see this is another post about iPhone right here with over 1 million views on this post. And if you come over here and you type in iPhone 14 right here, you can see right here that people are not making content about iPhone 13 on Imgur. Okay, so basically we want to take advantage of this and use this to make money. So what you want to do is to come over to your Cpalead account and you want to come over to this country section right here and you want to select United States. So if you do that, you are going to basically see offers that are available to United States residents. Okay, as you can see, this is an offer right here. Get your iPhone 14. This offer right here is going to pay you $5.79 for everyone you get to submit their email. As you can see right here, it's available to all devices. It doesn't matter if the person is on their mobile or on their PC. This offer is going to convert. And the cool feature of this offer is you get paid whenever you request for payout. As you can see right here, you can see it has this fast pay right here, which literally means whatever you make today, you can decide to request for payment tomorrow and you will get paid. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make money with this iPhone 14 offer right here. As you can see right here, the target country is United States. And now you want to come back to Imgur right here, and you may be wondering, why are we using Imgur? If you go over to similarweb.com, Imgur gets almost 180 million visits every single month, and majority of its traffic is from United States, as you can see right here. So this basically tells us that most people coming to this website every day are from the United States. You want to basically go back here and you want to copy the affiliate link to this offer right here. So the next thing is to come over to bit.ly.com to shorten this affiliate link. You want to paste in the link in this box right here and you want to click on shorten. All right, as you can see, this is the affiliate link right here. Okay, so the next thing you want to do now is to basically go over to Google and you want to type in iPhone 14 on Google right here. You are going to see a lot of images on Google that you can use for this method right here. So what you want to do now, you want to create an account on Imgur. If you don't have one already, all you just need to do is to go over to imgur.com and you will be able to create an account. So the next thing is to basically grab any of these images right here. So I'm going to be taking this image right here as an example. Okay, so all I just need to do is to right click here to save this image. So once the image is saved on your device, you want to go over to canva.com. So once you come over to canva.com, you want to click on create a design right here. You want to click on this edit photo. So once you do that, you want to locate the image you just downloaded from Google and you want to click on open. So once you do that, you want to click on this use in a design. So once the image comes up, you want to go over to this website called qrcodegenerator.com. And then you want to go back to bit.ly and grab the CPA link to the iPhone offer right here. Then you want to come back here and you want to paste in the offer link right here. So basically, once you do that, it's going to generate a QR code, as you can see right here. So basically, all people need to do is to scan this QR code and they will be redirected to the CPA offer link. All right, so once you do this, all you just need to do from here is to click on this download JPG right here. And you want to wait for a couple of seconds and the QR code is going to be downloaded, as you can see right here. So now you want to go back to Canva and you want to basically upload the QR code. You want to come over to this upload section and you want to click on upload files. And as you can see, this is the QR code right here. All right, so basically you want to paste it somewhere like this. Okay, so now as you can see, this looks good. And now you want to basically just add a text underneath this by going over to this text section. And you want to drag this add a heading right here to the bottom. And you want to type something like scan me. Okay, and you want to give it a bold, and then you want to basically drag this to somewhere like this. All right, so basically this is going to tell people to scan this QR code, and once they scan this QR code, they'll be taken to this CPA offer page right here, which once they submit their email, you get paid $5.79. And if you multiply this by 100 people daily, you can see right here almost $600 every single day if you get just 100 people to sign up for this offer. So now once everything looks good, all you just need to do is to download this image right here. You want to click on this download button. Once the image is completely downloaded, you want to go back to Imgur, and basically you want to just create a post by clicking on this new post right here. Now you want to upload the image you just downloaded from Canva, and you want to give this image a title. So basically you want to write a title like this: new iPhone 14 design. All right, and you want to type in something simple as description right here. We are looking for 100 people to review iPhone 14 for our page. Scan the QR code to get a free copy, and you want to also add in some tags right here: iPhone, iPhone 14, get iPhone, iPhone free. So basically this is all you need to do, and all you just need to do from here, post to community right here. And once you do that, you are going to start getting a lot of views on Imgur, because you don't need to do any promotion. Imgur is a very popular platform and people are going to generally see your post. So basically you want to repeat the same process by using other images on this page. Okay, so the more images you post, the more you are going to get seen on Imgur, and the more traffic you are going to drive to this offer. And the more traffic you drive to this offer, the more money you are going to make. So basically that is the whole process. In addition, you can also use this same strategy for Pinterest, as you can see right here, which gets almost 1 billion visits every single month. And also you can see majority of its traffic is predominantly United States, even more than that of Imgur. So basically all you need to do is to create a Pinterest account if you don't have one, and you can replicate the same process as we did on Imgur right here, and you can do exactly the same thing on Pinterest. All you just need to do once you create your account, of course, is to come over to this create right here, and you want to click on this create pin. So once you do that, all you just need to do is to upload the image. But if you are using Pinterest, you want to make sure you want to go back to Canva, and you want to make sure to come over to this social media section right here, and you want to scroll for where it says Pinterest, as you can see right here. Okay, so you want to make sure you choose this Pinterest dimension right here by clicking on this right here. So once you do that, you can come over to the upload section, and you want to upload the image right here. Okay, so basically this is all you need to do right here, and you want to add in the QR code at the bottom of this page right here. Okay, so you want to basically adjust this like this. All right, and you want to basically add in the text just as we did on Imgur. All right, so basically it's the same process, and once you're done, all you just need to do is to save the image. You can basically upload it on Imgur, and you can use exactly the same details as we used on Imgur right here. So you can give it the same title, new iPhone 14 design. And also if I come over here, I can copy this same description right here, and I'm just going to paste that right here. And basically you want to upload the image like I said, so as not to prolong this video. All right, as you can see, this image is not going to fit perfectly well, which is the reason why you want to make sure you use a dimension that is suitable for Pinterest. So basically, if you combine using Pinterest and Imgur, since majority of their traffic are predominantly United States, then I can guarantee you that you can get 100 leads every single day. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.